Hello. So today's question is, an electron falls from rest through a vertical distance h in a uniform and vertically upward directed electric field E. The distance of electric field is now reverse. The direction of electric field is now reversed. Keeping its magnitude the same, a proton is allowed to fall from rest in it through the same vertical distance h. The time of fall of electron in comparison to time in fall of proton is, so here we see that height equals to half E small charge of E into capital E by m into t square. So time equals to root of 2hm by E and E. So that means that time is directly proportional to root m, as E is same for electron and proton, that is the charge. The electron has a smaller mass, so it will take a smaller time, because if you see here, so that means, as we already know that the mass of electron is less than the mass of proton, so the time of electron is also less than time of proton. Thank you.